Hi, I'm Kate Goldhouse, a chef and vegan cooking educator at Goldhouse Gourmet. Today I'm going to be showing you a recipe for light baked French fries. So for my French fries, I use carrots because I love carrots. I use them for my chips, for everything I possibly can, so why not for my fries? So we're going to start with just a little bit of olive oil. I tend not to use oil in my cooking, but in the case of carrots, if you cook them with oil, it actually helps release the beta carotene, which is great for our eyes, great for our skin, great for our bones. So we're going to mix that up, making sure the carrots are really well coated with the oil. Then we're going to add about a half teaspoon of cumin. And we're also going to add about a teaspoon of salt. And again, really coat that through. If you really wanted a kick, you could even add some cayenne pepper. But for me, I think the carrots are just so flavorful on their own that they don't really need any extra seasoning. So now I'm going to put these on a tin foil lined pan in a single layer as much as possible. And then we're going to roast them at 425 degrees for about 45 minutes. So I've just removed the fries after cooking them at 425 for 45 minutes about, and here they are. I'm Kate Goldhouse, and today I showed you a recipe for cooking light baked French fries.